Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Rachel and I am a disruptor in the accounting industry. I'm disrupting what it means to be an accountant, what it feels like to have an accountant, and showing you the behind the scenes of what running an accountancy practice really looks like. I create long and short form content across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, so I would absolutely love to see you there, where I share daily behind the scenes content of what it's like to scale a business in your 20s. You can use the links in the description to this video to find me everywhere that you consume content. This content is literally the content that I desperately needed at different points during my journey so far, and so this is by me and for you. So if you've got any questions or content requests, pop them in the comments, and that always drives content that I bring you guys next. So this is a video that I've been thinking and dreaming of creating for a really long time. So today I'm going to be talking to you about your first day at work, first day at an office job, tips, outfit ideas, and your questions answered. So I'm going to be running through the build up to your first day, what to wear on your first day, what to take on your first day, timings and tips for you during the day. I'll just intersect before I get stuck into that actually one of the things that I do on TikTok and Instagram is actually share my outfit of the day. I do this because I've always really struggled to see what being a young woman in finance can look like. You don't have to wear a suit, you don't have to look like stale and pale in order to do it. And so if you fancy checking out some daily outfits, please do check that out on Instagram and TikTok, but let's get into it. So you've got your first proper job or your first office job. And so firstly, congratulations. This is a really exciting time of your life with lots of opportunities, lots of lessons coming your way to learn. And in the run up to your first day, there'll be lots of questions running through your mind, from what your team will be like, what to wear, and even what to do about lunch on your first day. When you're wanting to make a really good first impression, you might feel a little bit unsure about whether or not it's okay to ask these kinds of questions to your contact from your new team. So we've pulled together a list of all of the questions I or my team would have wanted answering before their first day in an office job. We actually, whenever we take on a new member of staff, we've curated this employee welcome pack, which actually answers all of these questions because so many people have them. We want to provide people with the answer in order for them to arrive on day one being their best self. So first up, let's chat about what to wear on your first day. When you are deciding what to wear on your first day in a job, the most important thing is to actually choose an outfit that you feel really comfortable and very confident in. So make sure you're choosing an outfit that is in line with your firm's dress code. So if, for example, the dress code is smart casual, turning up in a full suit on your first day might make you stand out a little bit too much. So keep in mind that you want to make a great first impression and show your professionalism. So choose something smart, comfortable, and modest. Wearing a crop top or your swimming trunks on your first day is a phase of life I would recommend skipping. So try to plan your outfit the night before or a little bit before so you don't have those dreaded outfit stress on day one of your new day. So outfit is done. Let's chat about what to take on your first day of a new job. So hopefully someone from your new team will have been in touch with you the week or so before your start date to let you know what documents you might need to bring in on your first day. So your employer might need to see things like your national insurance number, passport or proof of ID, bank account details, proof of address, like a phone bill or a utility bill, and a P45 if you've got one. Apart from these documents, it's always super handy to have a pen and a notepad in your bag for your first day so that you can jot down any tips or dates that you might need to remember, especially taking a pen and paper, remembering that sometimes there are IT problems on day one. So it might also be that your new employer has already sent out your new laptop to you on your first date. Perhaps you'll be working via a hybrid arrangement, so make sure you've got it all packed up to take with you to the office. And if you haven't received a laptop or computer in advance, this will probably be one of the first jobs of the day when you get into the office. So timings of day one. So maybe you have moved to a new city or new town for your job, or you haven't visited where the office is before. So before your first day, make sure you know how you're getting to work and double check that there aren't any disruptions that could lead to a delay in your journey. This leads me nicely on to what time you should arrive to the office. So plan your travel so that you will arrive to the office 10 to 15 minutes before your start time. However, I can say this as an employer, there is definitely such a thing as being too early. So if you arrive with an hour to spare, maybe go and grab a coffee and head back to the office a little bit later on. It's important to remember that whilst it's your first day, it's their first day having you too. And so arriving too early can cause problems. They're probably frantically trying to set your laptop up, waiting for your arrival. So now you're at the office, what actually happens during your first day? So once you're in the office, make sure that your phone is on silent or airplane mode to avoid any alarms or phone calls disturbing everybody. Before your first day, you might want to look online at the shops and cafes nearby to your office, or perhaps a new colleague might have already emailed you to let you know that there's a canteen or fridge facilities at your office. It might even be that your team want to take you out for lunch on your first day or show you their favourite lunchtime spot. So maybe save your packed lunch for day 2. Finally, try not to feel overwhelmed. There'll be loads of new people to meet, lots to learn, lots of names to learn, and that can feel quite scary at first. But remember, everybody is there to help you, and you have been chosen for this position for a reason. Your employer believes in you, so make sure that you do too. And that is a wrap. Today, we've covered the build up to your first day, what to wear, what to take on your first day, timings of the day, and tips for during your first day, which will have answered all of your questions about your first day at work. Please do let me know in the comment section what you found the most helpful, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope to see you again very soon.